Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the trigonometric identities, where we have to see what is the trigonometric identity. So ratio of the side of the right angle triangles are called trigonometric ratios, and this is a 90 degree and this is angle theta. It is also called adjacent and base, and this is the hypotenuse. Longest side is called hypotenuse, and this is the opposite or perpendicular sides. So if you talk about the sine theta, that will be opposite upon hypotenuse. Then cos theta, we have adjacent and adjacent side, which is this one, and upon hypotenuse. Then we have a tan theta, opposite side upon adjacent. Then we talk about this cosec, that will be reciprocal of sine, so it will be h by o. So hypotenuse upon opposite. Then sec theta, hypotenuse, adjacent, and cot, adjacent and opposite. If you talk about the values of the trigonometric ratios, like we have different angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So sine 30 equal to 0, sine 0 degree, and sine 30 is 1.5, sine 45 1 upon under root 2, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Then we will talk about cos theta, so this will be 1, and this values come in the place of 30, and this is the same, and 1 by 2 come here, and 0 is come here. Okay, so in this way we can find a sine and cos, and tan is a sine upon cos, so 0 by 1, that is 0, 1 by 2 root 2, so 2 and 2 is cancel out, it is 1 upon root 2. Tan 45 is 1 and root 60 is root 3, and tan 90 is not defined. So cosec is 0 is not defined, it's a reciprocal of sine, so it's a 2, and this is reciprocal of this degree is root 3, and this is root 2 by 3, and reciprocal of 1 is also 1. And sec is 1 by 1, so it's a 1, and this is reciprocal of this one, so 2 by root 3, and this is reciprocal of this degree, so it is a root 30, and this is root 2, and tan sec 90 is not defined here. So cot theta not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by 3 and 0. Suppose theta is perpendicular is x and base is b, and this is the hypotenuse. And we have important identities here, like sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. And we also know tan theta, that is sine theta upon cos theta all over cos theta, and cos theta is cos all over sine theta, sec 1 by cos, and cosec is 1 by sine. And some important point, perpendicular is always opposite to 90, opposite to the angle considered, and the base is adjacent is always next to the angles, and hypotenuse is always longest side. So these are the important point, and we will see the detailed question in the next video. If you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.